Come to the exercise first of chapter second, analogy. Now first question number first, that is 7 is to 14 as 9 is to. That means we have to show the relationship between as which is going on 7 is to 14 with the same relationship. What will be the same relationship between 9 and question mark? That means proportion. So 7, if you observe that 14 is double of 7. Similarly, we can say that what comes at the place of question mark, it will be 18, because if you put 7 is to 14, it will be 1 by 2. Similarly, if you put 9 by 18, again it will be 1 by 2. So the answer will be 18, double of given number. Come to the next question. 8 is related to 28 in the same way as 27 is related to. Now see, this kind of questions have maybe more than one or maybe more than many logics. So we at that time, if we have more than one or two logics, we have to go through with the options. Here I don't mention the options, so we'll see what kind of a logics we can put. We simply can say also say that 8 is related to 28, that is 20 plus 8 means the number is added with 20, so getting 28. Similarly, we also can say that 8 is a multiple of 3. 8 3 is a 24 plus the addition of 4, that is also 28. So at that time, as I mentioned that here it could be more than one logic. We have to if we have more than one logic, at that time we'll go through with the options. But in the given question, we can say that the number is added with 20, so getting the number is 28. Similarly, if you add 20 to 27, so it will be 47. This will be the answer for the given question. Now come to 16. 16 is related to 56, so as 32 is related to. Again, this is also a similar question as we have done previous question. In this particular question, we'll see that 16 is become 56. How it became 56? If you half the number, that means divided by 2, it will be 8, and multiply with the 7. So if we half the number, it became 8, and multiply with 7, it became 56. So with the help of same logic, we can say that 32 will half the 32, it will be 16, and multiply it with 7, so it will be 112. This will be the answer for given question. Now come to the next question. In this question, these are the sign of ratio and proportion. So there is a relationship between these two figures. Now see the relationship between these two figures. What is the relationship between? This is a plane circle. This is a plane circle, and this plane circle is in the next figure. This plane circle is divided into 8 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 equal parts. Similarly, we'll have to apply the same logic to the next figure. It is in the same, with the help of same logic. Sorry, the figure is not working properly. So with the help of same logic, we'll distribute this particular figure. How many parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This will be the answer for the given question, because this is also a plane figure. We'll distribute this plane figure into 8 equal parts. If you properly divide this figure, so it will be into 8 parts. So this will be the answer for the given question.